Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya at the Auto Shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. Hey, I want to welcome you to the back end of the Auto Shop where we had a car come in today for an alignment check. Well, part of what we do when we do an alignment check is we check over, of course, the entire suspension of the vehicle. And part of that, look at this. This tire came in. It is in such bad shape. The metal threads are coming out of the darn tire because the alignment is so far off. This car is so dangerous to drive. When we started to do the inspection, look at this. Someone has replaced the struts on this car, but they didn't like the way it was set up from the factory. So this bracket right here has actually been bent out of the way. This bolt is supposed to go through that hole, and they bent it out of the way, and the strut is coming down and starting to hit the drive axle on this car. Well, while we were doing our inspection, we looked at the other side to go, okay, well, if this one's this bad, how about the other side? And you know what? Look at that. That strut is not even seated properly, and the bracket is still there, the bolt hole is still there, but they didn't put the strut down into the spindle enough. This car is a hazard, and this is on the road for everybody right now in the state of Texas that are talking about getting rid of state inspection. This is why you don't get rid of state inspections. This car came in when they were test driving it around the parking lot. The steering wheel is turned at a 90-degree angle instead of being straight across like it's normally done, right? The steering wheel is off, the car was pulling really bad, and you know, this is on the road. I want everyone to know, bring your vehicle in, please let's do a safety inspection on it. Let's find out what condition it's in, because I don't want these cars, you don't want these cars on the road when we're driving, because that thing could come out at any time. When the strut comes out, the wheel falls off. And I don't want that on the road, and I don't think anybody does either. So come see us at the Auto Shop. We are the shop you trust. I'm not sure who did that. We're going to find out. The car just came in. This is dangerous. I can't stress upon you. It's got my blood pressure up. I'm so upset about this, that this kid is driving this car and has no idea the condition that it's in. I feel bad for her because no one took the time to explain the importance of proper automobile repairs and the safety required. So come see us at the Auto Shop. Click the like button for me. We're at www.theautoshop.com, and give us a call at 972-578-0588. We will keep you safe. Thanks.